didn't even know I did to that
Yo, so we are on the way to freaking DDE, the headquarters. It's a freaking drive. It's supposed to be a freaking massive, like I'm talking freaking low taper ninja massive. That's what I'm saying.
And you know what else is massive?
It's gonna be a freaking huge meet. It has like 8,000, almost freaking 9,000 likes on freaking Instagram, dude. DDE, if you guys don't know him, then and if you guys are in the car scene, I don't know what the hell you guys are doing with your life. We're going to DDE right now. It's gonna be a big, huge, massive meet, and we're about 20 minutes away, so I'll see you guys when we get there. We arrived at DDE headquarters. This is not a block party though, so this wouldn't be DDE block party number 4. This would actually just be a meet and we're departing. That's the sucky part about these kind of freaking meets, is that we're meeting at 9 and leaving at 10. I don't have a fast car to be freaking keeping up with these cars. We're about to see the cars now, dude. Like, how the hell am I supposed to keep up with these? Like, bro, you're telling me my stupid ass little 2012 Honda Genesis can keep up with this goddamn cars? You got me, yeah, okay. Ooh, but this one's nice though. I think this is the one that shoots flames out the back. Yes, it is. I think I hear Ron. I think I hear Mr. Ronaldo. I saw him live on stream. I think he's actually here. We got Nick in the cut. I think that's Ron. Jason! There's Lacey.
Is that 2015 Urus? 2015 rated Urus.
She.
Yeah, Lacey. Yeah,
Nah.
Lacey, yeah.
Bring that rented thing in here.
Yes, sir.
Bring that rented bad boy in here. Rented for the weekend, yes, sir.
How about the whip?
Keep going straight. You got it. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Now tilt.
There you go now. Yep, keep going.
Keep going. Keep going.
Nah, but let's check out this 2015 rented Urus, bro. Freaking, I wonder where he's gonna white body it. That's so crazy. There's Ron's Porsche and then here's Lacey's Lambo. Wish freaking Jason could bring his Audi, bro. I think it's the RS7, I'm not quite sure. I don't remember. Is this the one with the carbon fiber spoiler, the red? Not sure, but that might be him. That freaking spiel sounds beautiful. Oh hell, what the, oh damn. They freaking, look at that, what the hell? Hey, yeah. What are they doing in there?
I don't know.
Shh, doesn't this fool shoot massive flames?
Baby flames.
Aw, baby flames. Oh, damn, what's behind it? Dude, this camera is so freaking beautiful. Look how clear it is. Look how freaking close it is, too. I don't know if that's close enough, to be honest. Dude, this thing is fuck. Dude, this thing is hard, man. This thing is so mean looking. Holy shoot. Oh, dude, GTRs without a wing is so mean. I don't know, bro. I love it without a wing. Oh, my Lord, have mercy on my soul. Damn, that shit's loud. Yo, we got a freaking Lambo open wide in the back like a goddamn Badussi. Look at that shit. Fucking hey. Oh, look at that, bro. Oh my god. Oh goddamn.
I'd rather be recording this, man.
You'd rather be recording this than a bumperless Huracan? Oh goddamn. Oh, you don't give a fuck. That's how you know you got money. There's a car revving in the middle of the street. Who is it? Holy shoot, dude. Dude, this looks insane. Oh my god. We got the C8. Oh my lord. Damn, oh my god. This is so cool, bro. Holy shoot. So we're now moving to the second spot now. All the cars are leaving, so we're gonna get all the cars revving and shit. You guys already know how the deal goes. We got the SEO revving, we got the Lambo revving. Ron, is that? Nah. I didn't know Ron was like that. I didn't know Ron was like that, dude. Nah, I didn't know Ron was like that, dude. Yo. Ron is like that, dude? No freaking way. Dude, what has he got? What has he got? Come on, dude, you gotta do something. You can't compete to a Porsche like that, dude. Holy shoot. Nah, dude, that was crazy, Ron. Holy crap. Woo! This was the one that had the freaking exhaust coming out from the back and he massively two-stepped. Now he has a freaking hood exit. Yeah, there it is. The first burnout of the night, boys. Damn. Oh my god. Alright guys, I'm gonna see you guys at the second spot. Guys, we are in my city, the city of Los Motherfudging Angeles, my boys. Look at the beautiful freaking buildings. Oh my God. And if I'm not mistaken, I think we are going to the spot that is underground, if I'm not mistaken. If it is, holy shoot, it's about to be a movie, dude. But I've been here before. If you guys remember when I was in the Audi R8, that freaking pullover video, this is where it is, dude. So I think we are here at the underground spot, if I'm not mistaken, bro. Holy shoot, dude, it's about to be crazy loud and crazy, bro. Yee! Oh, damn, the Tesla. Talking to the cops. All right, boys. I think it's the third spot. And just like that, we at the third spot, and this is the last spot, and it's literally like 5 minutes away from the house, bro. All right, guys, I think that's gonna call it. There's cops here waiting. There's more cops on the other side. There's a whole ass helicopter in the goddamn air, so I think, yeah, there's more cops coming in. All right, guys, I think that's gonna do it for today's motherfudging video, dude. There's cops here, like you guys seen, and this is the third spot anyways, and my home is like 4 minutes away, so it's a good spot. They ended here, dude. It was a crazy freaking video, insane video. DDE block party 4, maybe. I don't know if that was a 4 or not. I don't think so. They would have put it on their flyer, dude, but hey, insane turnout. I didn't know Ron was like that. That Porsche is insanely loud. What else? What else did we see? The freaking SVJ. We got the Huracan. Dude, it was just so much stuff, man. All my videos are like this. So if you see this video, I'm trying to put it out as fast as possible so that you guys can see it as fast as possible. All of the freaking stuff that happened. I think I got most of the stuff that happened today. I'm not quite sure. We got like 1 burnout or 2. I'm not quite sure. But bro, hit that sub button. I'm telling you, all my videos are like this. I try to go to a lot of events. I try to go to events that no one knows about. So like, hey bro, this channel is unique. I'm telling you, subscribe, bro. You won't regret it. On top of that, we got new quality. I don't know if do I look freaking good? I don't know. But guys, we got new quality. We got better quality. We got better everything. I'm telling you, dude. Just hit that sub button. I'm telling you, it's gonna be freaking amazing. We're gonna grow together as a family. But guys, I'm out of here. And yeah, hit that sub button again. You don't have to. It's free though. But you guys get crazy content like this. So like every time you guys are on your phone, you guys see, oh, notification from a notice. There's gonna be like car flipping 300 times, doing a backflip. I don't know. It's something like that. But guys, again, hit that sub button, hit that like button, share this video to your nearest neighbor or dog, and I'm out. Peace.